Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.1, Problem 30. This is Section 3.1, Problem 30. It says write 296.0015 in words. So first, I like to see it as a fraction, then I can write the words. That seems a little easier to do it that way. So 296, 296. Now, I want to write it as a fraction, so to convert this decimal portion of the number, 0.0015, into a fraction, the first thing I do is write anything that comes after the decimal point in the numerator of a fraction. So in the numerator of the fraction, I put 0015. Next thing I do is I put a 0 under each digit that's in the numerator. So I have 4 digits in the numerator, therefore I will put 4 zeros in the denominator. After that, I put a 1 in front of the bottom zeros, like this. So the numerator is 0015. You can really just consider that to be 15, 296, and 15 over 4 zeros, it'll be 10,000. I can put in a comma to more clearly show how many zeros I have. Now, if you want to leave it in its fraction form, at this point you should try to reduce it. This will reduce. But to go into words to write the decimal, you really don't reduce it. You want the denominator portion written as 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, one of those. You don't reduce it. So first let's write the 296. So that will be 200. $96. We'll write the word and because there's a fraction with it. The top is 15. And the denominator is 10,000, so it'd be 15 ten-thousandths. And that would be the answer. So the number 296.0015 written in words would be 296 and 15 ten-thousandths.